Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome to Oma J's garden. Today Oma J is gonna talk about pruning. Pruning is very important also in gardening. You know, why do you need to prune? Because you want to encourage new growth. You want to get rid of this dead plants, dead leaves and all that. You have to get rid so that, you know, like this is so ugly kan, so you have to get rid of it. That's why we need pruning, you know. Okay, Oma J is going to show you how to do pruning. Let's go. Okay, Oma J wants to show you how to prune. You know, pruning and trimming. So Oma J choose this plant. You tengok, this is pokok kalamansi, limau kasturi. Okay, dia banyak yang dead stems. You know, dead branches. This is the one that why we need pruning, because kita kena potong dia supaya kita nak encourage new growth. Like this one. This one kan. Okay, here. Ni, this is a dead branches. Tengok, kalau you cut sini kan, you tengok, this is the new growth actually. Tapi yang ini dia masih lagi ada banyak buah lagi. Tapi kalau selepas berbuah, memang kita akan potong dia macam ni. The reasons you prune also to give it a nice shape, you know, kan? You know, macam ni. Macam ni kalau you tengok dia like a why ni, you just cut this side, you know, so that you encourage dia the nutrients all will go to the stems here. Nanti dia lagi banyak berbuah kan, macam ni. Ni you cut all the dead stems macam ni, banyak. Normally kalau pruning ni yang mana ada new shoots kat bawah-bawah tu, they call the the suckers. You have to cut that, because suckers tu dia normally at the base dia akan makan you punya baja, so you have to throw that away kan. You leave only the strong stems and branches, you know, so that new leaf will appear. Macam ni kan. Kalau macam ni kan, you cut lah this one, because sini dah tak akan because yang kecil ni, the growth yang kat bawah ni that needs the nutrients, so you can just cut off the top here, see? Cut off this one, yeah, like that. This one pun you just cut off, kan? Okay. Ini sayang ni, setengah orang kan dia sayang lah buah nak potong buat apa kan, tapi sebenarnya kena. Sebab apa? Kalau kita potong dia, the buah tu lagi hasilnya better. Ketidak dia berebut nutrient, berebut baja kan. That's why kadang you just have to jangan sayang-sayang lah, you know, kita potong dia. It's like I always use the phrase, hang potong dia tumbuh balik. So this is you know, macam ni kan dah habis, so you just potong yang belah sini, so that yang ni nanti akan dapat nutrient dia, dapat baja, lepas tu dia akan keluar balik pucuk baru dan juga keluar bunga dan buah kan. Selain daripada buang yang dead branches kan, so you also look for those yang macam overlapping like this. Kalau overlapping ni, so dia mengganggu jugalah, you know, you kena potongkan dia supaya dia akan cantik lagi kalau dia growing. So you just cut at the near to the branch, you know. So macam ni semua ni you trim lah kan. You bentukkan dia lah balik, you know, macam ni lah. Macam ni you will know, because you from here you see yang mana yang healthy branch. The healthy branch you keep. Yang mana you rasa dia akan mengambil banyak nutrient daripada branch itu, you just cut it lah, you know, macam ni lah. And then ada banyak cara juga. Mana kalau you tak gunakan gunting, you juga boleh gunakan hand pruner. Oma J always keep the hand pruner in my tool. This is the hand pruner. Hand pruner ni is kalau for dead branches, kan, so you gunakan hand pruner ni. So let's just cut the one. This one kan banyak dead branches, so dia paling senang lah. You just cut the dried one. You mulakan daripada yang bawah lah. Yang ni memang dah apa orang kata tak boleh pakai lah dah kan. So you pakai this one. Okay, sekali this one off. Tapi ni bukan maknanya pokok ni dah mati tau. Dia akan hidup balik. Tapi you kena quickly throw away yang branches yang apa tu? Yang dah kering. Nanti kalau the more you cut, you buangkan dia lagi cepat bercambah balik. Like for instance, this one dia dah kan, these are the healthy branch because you nampak daun dia. Yang ini semua dah kering. So actually yang ini you kena buang dia lah. You kena buang yang ini sebenarnya. Jadi kan kita akan potong yang inilah, you know. This is called hand pruner. Okay. Yeah, see? You okay, you have to put your okay. Alright. Okay, so you throw this one. So you see nanti dia punya baja semua akan sampai di sini. Lagi dia cepat berdaun dan berbunga kan. So lepas tu now you kena shapekan lah dia mengikut you punya kehendak, the shape you want lah ya. Alright. Ni semua kena buang ni. Because Oma J sayang pokok ni. Baru alih tempat ni. Jadi that's why you tengok banyak branches yang dah kering kan, tapi bukan maknanya dia mati. Dia masih lagi boleh apa? So I use this pruner, senang. Like this bougainvillea plant. Memanglah, you know, this pruning tu is memang part of puzzles of gardening, you know, because like this one, you kena encourage dia berbunga kan. So habis bunga ni you kena potong balik lah. Ni shape it dia balik kan. You know, you shape it balik. Lepas tu you make sure dah trim dah semua tu, you bajakan dia, you siram dia, insya-Allah dia akan berbunga balik. You know, dia akan tumbuh growth yang baru. Okay, so Oma J will tell you more about gardening. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Jangan lupa hang potong dia, tumbuh balik. This is really a surprise, you know.
I hope you like it.
Oh,
it's something simple, but it's just for the two of us. Something light.